Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Artistic Trails. This is Sandhya. Today in this video I am going to show you how to do dry and dry technique on canvas. This is very easy type of technique which you can use on canvas paintings. So here I am doing flower painting on canvas pad. This is canvas pad I have taken and few acrylic colors. Fevicryl I have taken. You can take any other brand as well. Fevicryl works good for me. So this I have taken Fevicryl acrylic colors. Without wasting much time, let's get started. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family, and hit the bell icon so that you get notified. So let's get started with the video. Here I have done a simple flower sketch by using the pencil. Now load the color onto the flat brush, and wherever the dark tone comes, just give the direct color there. Brush should be dry, canvas should be dry. For that reason, the technique is called as dry on dry technique. Okay, after finishing the uh, dark tone wherever we applied, just take wash the brush properly, and we know we don't want any color there. Just take a plain water and just start to smudge it. Okay, and make it a very light tones like this. You shouldn't add any white color here. Just take a plain water and just start to smudge. After finishing like this, same way you do the same technique to all over the flower petals. Wherever the light tone comes, you have just take the water and smudge it. Okay, no need to use any white color here. This is the dry on dry technique on canvas. Any color you can take, any color for flower you can take, like yellow, orange or anything. I have taken a crimson color. Same way I am doing the bud part here, just applying the crimson red directly. I have not mixed any color there. Fresh crimson white from the bottle, just apply onto the bud. Now same way to the other flowers, wherever the dark tone comes, you just apply the fresh color. It should be very dry, no need to use any water. Like this you take the water and smudge it and make the light tone. This is the very easy technique for canvas painting. Even beginners can try this out. If you like my today's video, please do like and give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Moving on to the next part, I have taken a sap green. Same way I have taken here a round brush, not flat brush. Just give a fresh green color wherever the dark tone comes, and take water and smudge it. Like this I have completed all over the stem and leaves part. Now again I am doing another flower. Same technique I am going to use. Okay, so finish all this by using the same technique. Now take a round brush, brush number 2, 3 or anything. You can go for 0, 1. Take a crimson red color onto the brush and just give few outlines. I have not mixed any other color, just red color, crimson red, whichever I have taken for the flower, and just giving the detailing by use outline you have to do. After finishing this, you can give more detailing of flowers there. If you want the detailed flower, you can give the outline. Like this I have completed all over the flowers. In between I am going to use yellow color, lemon yellow. If you want, you can go for orange as well, but give the contrast colors. You can go for orange color as well, but the yellow looks very pretty in the center of the flower, so you can go for any other color of your choice. That's it for today's video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and stay tuned. Bye.